Hello everyone. In the previous video we had completed our chapter and today we are going to solve its back exercise. Okay, so let's begin. The first one we have tick the correct answer. First we have to stay healthy our body needs what our body needs to stay healthy. So options are there: balanced diet, books, bread, only milk. So a balanced diet, because in balanced diet all the nutrients are present in a proper quantity, right? The next we have, which of the following is non-communicable disease. Okay, so options are there: chickenpox, beriberi, common cold and measles. Okay, so chickenpox, common cold and measles. So these are the communicable diseases except beriberi. Beriberi is a deficiency disease and it cannot be passed on, right? So the third one we have, this disease is caused by a virus. So 4 diseases they have given, and among all these we need to find the viral disease. So typhoid, malaria, meningitis, these are the diseases caused by the bacteria and protozoa. Okay, so except chickenpox. Chickenpox is a disease, it's a viral disease, and this disease caused by the varicella zoster virus. Okay, the fourth one we have, the spread of communicable diseases can be prevented by what? Spitting, coughing, keeping clean, having medicines. Okay, so viral disease, no any medicines is there, and by spitting and by coughing it can be transmitted. So it can be prevented by keeping ourselves and keeping our surroundings clean. So keeping clean is the right answer. Fifth one we have, vaccination can protect against diseases like polio, measles and dash, AIDS, malaria, mumps and fever. So mumps is the right answer because we have antivirus of this, right? And the next one we have, complete the table. So look at this table carefully. Here nutrients are given and you need to find the food that from where we can get these kind of nutrients. The first one we have carbohydrates. Its answer is cereals, pulses, sugar, potato. Next we have protein, eggs, meat, milk, fish. So these are the things that we that give proteins to us. Next we have vitamin A. So leafy vegetables, butter, egg yolk, mango. Vitamin C, amla, tomato, grapes, sprouted grains. Iron, apple, spinach, meat and guava. So students, these are the nutrients that we get from these different food items. Okay, and next we have match the columns. Here nutrients you have given and the deficiency diseases which is caused by the particular nutrient and the symptoms of these particular diseases. Okay, so first of all we have vitamin A. So lack of vitamin A causes night blindness. Its symptom is patient cannot see in dim light. Next we have vitamin B1. A lack of vitamin B1 causes beriberi and it affects the nervous system of the person. And the vitamin C, it causes scurvy and symptom is bleeding gums. Vitamin D, rickets, it causes rickets, and in this disease bones of the person becomes soft and even the person is not able to stand on its straight legs, right? The fifth one we have iodine, and lack of iodine causes goiter, and in this disease a gland in the neck region swells up, right? And the next we have fill in the blanks. So let's see. First one we have, our body needs dash protection from diseases, regular exercises and dash to keep fit. So these are the things which we always keep remind to be fit. So balanced diet and enough rest is the right answer. Okay, the second one we have, our food should have enough dash to get rid of undigested food. So students, our undigested food is just got rid by the roughage. So roughage is the right one. And the third one we have, we must play dash games to to keep our body fit. So outdoor games, right? Next one we have, dash and dash are caused by bacteria. So any two diseases you can write in it. Okay, so plague and typhoid can be the suitable examples for the diseases that are caused by the bacteria. Next one we have, dash is a virus that attacks the immune system of the patient and leads to death. As the full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus, so it affects our immune system and becomes us weak, and afterwards it leads to our death. So students, next we have write short answers. In the next video we will discuss about the long questions, but today only short we need to do. The first one we have, what is a deficiency disease? So deficiency means lack of something, right? So its answer is, deficiency or the lack of particular minerals or vitamins in the body also causes diseases, and so these are the diseases that occur when we have lack of any particular mineral or vitamin. Next question we have, name a disease caused by the lack of iron in the food. So iron, lack of iron causes anemia. So anemia is caused by the lack of iron in the food. Next we have, what is a communicable disease? So students, communicable disease, that means it can be passed on from the infected person to the healthy one. Okay, so here communicable disease can be passed on from one person to another. So our next question is, which diseases are caused by eating contaminated food? So here you need to write some diseases which are caused by the contaminated food. Okay, so typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio and jaundice are the diseases caused by eating contaminated food. Okay, the fifth question we have, name 3 diseases for which you have been vaccinated. Okay, when you were at the age of 5 you got some vaccines. So what are these vaccines for? Polio, measles and mumps are the 3 diseases for which we have been vaccinated. So students, our class is over here, and in the next video we will discuss about the long question answers. Until that, you need to practice all these 5 short questions and the back exercise of it.